Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be replacing a fuel filter on the 99 Nissan Altima with the 2.4 liter engine. And here's a fuel filter I got from CarQuest. Cost me about $10 with a coupon. Fuel filter goes right over there. You do want to, they say to disconnect the fuel pump fuse. So I did that already. It is over here. It is the 15 amp where you see the slot that's open, which I already took out. There it is. And now we're going to start. And I'm going to pinch that line. Probably should have done before. Alright, so that line is pinched. So get the top hose out, as you can see. A little hard. Now I gotta get the bottom one. Thing's still dripping. Yep, so 20-year-old car, these hoses are really on tight. Even with the clip off. Put some penetrating oil. Don't really have a good angle, but just gonna tighten it. Good. Put the filter, the fuse back in there. This is tight, that's tight. Let's go. Here we go. So remember, it did die when I took the fuse out. So started out right there. Check for any leaks. Whoops. Don't really see any. I'll put my hand down there. Nope. I don't even know what that hose is there for. I think that's supposed to be open. Alright, so there you have it. It's all in. Car started fine. The reason I changed this, obviously, it's a 20-year-old car, so I've done all the tune-up stuff but that. And also, like, sometimes, like on cold mornings, the car would really like hesitate to start, and I've done everything else. I didn't really know why. I kind of put all the fuel cleaners I could in here. Battery's pretty new. The spark plugs have been changed. The distributor has been changed. So, this is pretty much the last thing to do. But it started up quick. So there it is, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Put in the comments. And I'll probably be making another video on an oxygen sensor. Because it's reading pretty low. It's reading 0.3 volts when it should jump around. So I'll post a video on that soon. Later, guys.